guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to convert your image file into PDF file on your MacBook. In this video we'll learn this guys. So for this guys, you don't need to download and install any third-party app on your MacBook. Just follow this easy and simple method. First you need to go to your image and select your image like this. Okay, after selecting, here in the bottom right side corner of your screen you can get more options. Just click on it and here you can get the option create PDF. If you want to create the image file into PDF, just click on it. It will quickly create the image file into PDF file. As you can see guys, this is our image file and this is our PDF file. Okay, so from here you can easily able to create this. So that's it for today guys. It's short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.